The pressure's on. Demonstrated lab. In this activity, we will use a hand pump to pump as much water from a plastic bin into a plastic bottle. We will then record the volume of the water transferred. We will pour the water back into the plastic bin to repeat for a total of 4 trials. Trial 1.
Stop. All right.
Please record the results for Trial 1 onto your data table. Trial 2.
Stop.
Please record the results for Trial 2 on your data table. Trial 3.
Go. Stop.
Please record the results for Trial 3 on your data table. Trial 4.
Ready? Go. Stop. Had I known, I would have painted my nails.
Please record the results for Trial 4 on your data table. Please make sure that your normal blood pressure data table looks like this data table. Now let's figure out the averages for normal blood pressure. We will use the percentages to make our math easier. 75 plus 81 plus 81 plus 75 gives us a total of 312. We divide that by 4 trials and we get an average of 78% of water transferred. Part 2 will model high blood pressure by placing a clamp on the tubing. We will slide the artery or tubing through the clamp. We will then tighten the clamp by snapping it down 3 spaces or clicks. We will then use a hand pump to pump as much water as possible from the plastic bin into the plastic bottle in 15 seconds. We will record the volume transferred. We will then pour the water back into the plastic bin and repeat for 4 trials.
It's gonna have to get here higher, because that has to go in the bottle.
Trial 1.
Ready? Go. Stop. Can you lift the bottle a little bit?
Please record your results for Trial 1 in the data table. Trial 2.
Go. Stop.
Please record the results for trial 2 in your data table. Trial 3.
Stop. Oops, sorry.
Please record the results for trial 3 in your data table. Trial 4.
Stop.
Please record the results for trial 4 in your data table. Please make sure the high blood pressure data table looks like this one. Let's figure out the average for high blood pressure. Once again, we use the percentages to make math easier. 35 plus 38 plus 47 plus 50 gives us a total of 169. 169 divided by 4 trials gives us an average of 42%. And now for some qualitative data provided to you by Mrs. Baldwin.
Okay, so Mrs. Baldwin, can you provide us with some qualitative observations?
The first time when I was using the pump, it was very easy to squeeze it and it filled up the bottle pretty quickly. And after we put the clamp on, it was much more difficult. It felt restricted and it was harder to push. And by then my hand was pretty tired.
Okay, thank you.
Please take the next few minutes to answer the analysis questions on the back of your worksheet. Be sure to use the data we have collected in your responses.